Good morning, students. Hope all of you are fine. I'm your science teacher, Mrs. Priyanka Mittal. Today, we will do the parts of alimentary canal. Firstly, we will discuss thoroughly about the mouth and buccal cavity. In the humans, firstly you take the food by the means of mouth, okay, from where it goes to the buccal cavity. In buccal cavity contain teeth and tongue, and this buccal cavity has salivary glands. These salivary glands released saliva means आपका जो थूक है salivary glands वो प्रोड्यूस करती हैं. Why this is important? Because it help in chewing the food. Okay, there is one activity. When you chew the bread for 3 and 4 minutes, it start tasting sweet. Why? Because the saliva that released by a salivary gland, ठीक है, ब्रेक डाउन द स्टार्च टू फॉर्म अ शुगर. मीन्स जो ब्रेड के अंदर स्टार्च होती है उसको शुगर में चेंज कर देती है. शुगर, स्टार्च इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट. 6th स्टैंडर्ड में आपने स्टडी की है. स्टार्च इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स and this converted into a sugar. So that's why when you chew the bread for some time, it start tasting sweet because the starch change into a sugar. Okay, next is the teeth. I am sending you the link of one video from where you can completely see about the teeth. There are 4 type of teeth: incisor, premolars, canine and molars. Okay, please see that video properly. Now I will discuss tongue. Everybody knows tongue. Tongue is a muscular organ, मतलब मांस की बनी हुई है muscular organ है that attached to a floor of the buccal cavity. It is free to move in any side. Okay, and how the tongue help in mixing of the saliva with the food and also help in swallowing food. अगर saliva ना हो, अगर tongue ना हो तो आपका food will never goes into a food pipe. And one important part, tongue has these taste buds: bitter, sour, salty and sweet. When you eat some food, if it is sweet, तो tongue का ये part बताएगा कि आप जो food खा रहे हो that is sweet. If you eat the salty food, this part of tongue will tell the food that you are eating is salty in taste. If it is sour, then this part will tell you that your food is sour, and this part will tell you the food is bitter. Okay, and these are known as taste bud on tongues. Taste bud on tongue mean these birds tell us the food that are you eating, whether it's a salty, whether it's a sour, whether it's a bitter, or whether it's a sweet. So it's very important to clean your tongue. The next part is food pipe. Food pipe is a long, narrow, muscular tube that connected to your buccal cavity to a stomach. Means it starts from the buccal cavity and ends at stomach. Firstly, food is chewed in the buccal cavity, then by the means of food pipe. It's also called esophagus. From the buccal cavity, it goes to the stomach by the means of food pipe. So the next component is stomach. Stomach is a widest part of alimentary canal. The food is digested, or you can say the food is changed into a paste-like substance in a stomach. And the inner lining of the stomach released a gastric juice. The stomach has a gastric juice which have mucus. Mucus means this is also a type of saliva. and hydrochloric acid and enzymes present in them. What are the function of this all things? The mucus change the food, or you can say break the food into smaller particles, and hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria present in your stomach. अगर आपके स्टमक के अंदर कुछ बैक्टीरियाज, हार्मफुल बैक्टीरियाज हैं, तो हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड विल kill that bacteria, and enzymes also help in, you can say, to change the food into a paste like substance. Why it change into paste like substance? So that it can be digested easily. Okay, and the one thing I have told you that the hydrochloric acid kill bacteria, and it's also provide the acidic medium needed for digestion of food, means it also help in digestion of food. And the enzymes in the stomach, enzymes are the chemicals, they are also like a saliva, break down the protein. Protein means जो आप मिल्क पीते हो, मिल्क हैज अ प्रोटीन, तो हमारी बॉडी प्रोटीन को ऐसा डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर सकती. जो आप दूध पीते हो उसके अंदर जो प्रोटीन है उसको हमारी बॉडी एज सच प्रोटीन को डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर सकती, उसको अमीनो एसिड्स में तोड़ना पड़ता है. किसमें तोड़ना पड़ता है? अमीनो एसिड्स में. सो द एंजाइम इन द स्टमक ब्रेक डाउन द प्रोटीन इनटू अ अमीनो एसिड सो दैट डाइजेशन ऑफ मिल्क टेक प्लेस. द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, here the digestion take place. Here digestion take place. Here 3 type of juice are secretes in small intestine. Number 1, firstly secretion from liver. I have told you liver is a gland, pancreas is a also gland. These glands produce some juices. These glands produces some juices and give it to small intestine. Why they give it to small intestine? So that digestion of food take place. As I already told you, the protein, जो मिल्क के अंदर प्रोटीन है, हमारी बॉडी प्रोटीन को ऐसा डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर सकती. सिमिलरली डाइजेशन ऑफ फैट, मतलब आप कोई भी घी खाते हो, बटर खाते हो, ऐसा हमारी बॉडी उसको डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर पाती, उनको कुछ फैटी एसिड्स में तोड़ना पड़ता है. देन हाउ the fat converted into the fatty acids? The liver, below the liver there is small bag like structure. Below the liver there is a bag like structure that is called gallbladder. Gallbladder. Liver produce bile juice. That bile juice is stored in this gallbladder. After that the gallbladder give this juice to the small intestine so that digestion of fat take place. मतलब fat has to change into a fatty acids. Then pancreas. Pancreas is, मैंने आपको आप ओपन करो वीडियो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम वाली, मैंने वहां पे पेंक्रियाज आपको समझाया था. द पेंक्रियाज इज a yellow leaf shaped gland located just below the stomach, and also it secretes मतलब released, it released pancreatic juice. This juice help in digestion of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. मतलब this pancreatic juice change this carbohydrate, protein and fat into a simpler forms, means it change the protein into a amino acid, it change the fat into a fatty acids. Okay, so these juice are very important. If your liver does not produce the bile juice, your food will not be digested properly. देखो कईयों को बहुत लीवर की प्रॉब्लम होती है. क्यों लीवर खराब होना शुरू हो जाता है? बिकॉज देयर लिवर डज नॉट प्रोड्यूस बाइल जूस. तो उनको डाइजेशन में प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है. आप कोई मैदा खाते हो, कोई बाहर का जंक फूड खाते हो, उनको डाइजेस्ट नहीं हो पाता ना. द रीजन इज दैट बिकॉज लिवर डज नॉट प्रोड्यूस properly bile juice, or there is some problem in your pancreas. And small intestine also release intestine juice, and this juice help in digestion of carbohydrate, protein and fat. So these juices are very important to digest your food. If these foods are not released in the proper amount from your body, then food will not digested and you will face some digestive problems. Read this paragraph properly. This paragraph is very, very important. I have told you earlier. Okay. Then, very important, villi. Absorption of digested food in small intestine. How the small intestine get the energy from digested food? Means हमें ultimately क्या चाहिए? हमें एनर्जी चाहिए. फूड में से हमें क्या चाहिए? एनर्जी चाहिए. And that energy will be consumed by small intestine. And how? But this is the inner surface of small intestine. It has a finger-like projection. ये finger-like projection आपको दिख रही है. और इसमें क्या है? ब्लड वेसल्स हैं. दीज आर आर्टरीज जो रेड रेड दिख रही हैं और दीज आर वेन्स जो ब्लू दिख रही हैं. एंड फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शन आर कॉल्ड विलीज. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? विलीज. ठीक है. ये स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन का इनर पार्ट है. दिस विलीज अब्सॉर्ब्ड द डाइजेस्टेड फूड मीन्स इट टेक द एनर्जी फ्रॉम द डाइजेस्टेड फूड एंड मिक्सड विद द blood, क्योंकि यहाँ पे blood capillaries हैं. When it take the energy from the food will mixed into a blood. Then by the means of these blood vessels, by the means of arteries, it goes to the all parts of your body. इस वे से जो सारी एनर्जी है आपकी बॉडी तक पहुंच जाती है. Okay, so it has a large number of finger-like projection that is called villis. The villi increase the effective surface area for absorption of digested food. Means this villi take the energy from the digested food and this food pass to the blood vessels and get transported to the all body parts. And this process is known as assimilation. Next, large intestine. The last part, the large intestine. Here in the small intestine the food is digested, food is absorbed, and now the unabsorbed food जो आपकी बॉडी ने फूड absorb नहीं किया है, it goes to the large intestine and by the means of anus it comes out. मतलब आपका पेट साफ हो जाता है. And this process is known as digestion. This process is known as digestion. Okay बेटा. Then next, this chart on the page number 23 you have to do by yourself. The first part देखो buccal cavity show कर हो रही है. तो here you have to write what happened in this buccal cavity. Means the food is chewed here and the salivary gland mixed saliva with it. Okay, then goes to a food pipe. Then stomach. What happened in the stomach? Stomach is a large muscular tube, widest muscular organ. It releases gastric juice, help in digestion of food. And this is small intestine. Here you have to write what happened in the small intestine. This is large intestine and this is anus. ठीक है, you have to complete this part properly. Okay, the next we will do it tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.